Alright, ladies and gents, I kind of sort of know what I'm doing here. Welcome to today's video. That right there is a multimeter. This right here is a vending machine with 0 lights. These lights are burned out. And so I'm replacing them with these LEDs. Like I said, I kind of sort of know what I'm doing. First things first, I need to get into here. This is where I believe the ballast is. Yep. I wasn't expecting it to do that, but that's definitely the ballast. So what we have is we have power going into the ballast. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my multimeter here. I'm going to test that, make sure that it is 120 alternating currents, and we'll plug this in and see what that says. For some reason that's showing 90 millivolts. Hey, there we go, 121. So that's 121 volts. That's perfect. So we're going to get rid of that ballast completely. I'm definitely getting rid of this ballast because it's heavy and unnecessary. Alright, I'm taking a little break. I haven't flown this yet. I just got this the other day, but the weather's been garbage and it's been windy. So I'm going to fly this. I've got the plug wired in just for a test. Well, we know it works. I'm going to get things tied up, zip tied. I've got my helper here today. We're taking off the old license plate frame from the Journey. We're putting on the, well, not new, but new, the one from the old car, Utah State University one. Start it. Other way. Towards me. You want me to start it? Oh, no, you got it. We got the new one on. Starting the screws. New license plate frame is on. It looks a lot better in person, but here is the vending machine with all of its colors. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here at my vending machine. This one has the lights that aren't working, and I got this RGB kit. We're going to see how well it works in here, if it works at all. This one has the light in the top, and then it comes from right over here, and I think that's the ballast. I'm not sure. Or maybe this has a ballast in it. So I'm going to have to check the electrical on here and find out what exactly is connected to that. I might have to take some things apart. I only brought my screwdriver. I didn't bring another tool, so hopefully I don't need any more than this, but we're going to find out here shortly. A little bit of progress. I took out, I believe this is the ballast. I took that out. This is the plug that goes to the light, and then the plug that goes to the top is right here. Now if we look at this, 120 volts, AC. So we know that 120 goes there. We can add our LEDs to right here, and then have them go all the way around, lighting this thing up like a Christmas tree. It should be very easy. However, I forgot one key part, which is an outlet, a plug, to plug in that. So I'm gonna have to like set all this up, get it ready to go, and then wire it up when I get back. So I'm going to get the rest of it hooked up, and then when I get back, we'll see if it lights up. I'm running to go get the power cord real quick. Be right back and we'll see how it looks. We have light. This is the light in the vending machine. We can change it. We can do color changing. We can go faster with the color changing. Do a different mode. Now maybe this vending machine will get more use, because hopefully with this light off, people will see it through this window as they're pulling into the building, and they're going to be like, oh man, like what's that? Like I could do the color changing light and have them like see that when they pull in. Maybe attract them a little bit. So I did actually 2 strips all the way around. You can see that they kind of overlap each other. So it's a lot brighter. It still distorts the color of the product a little bit, but I think it'll be okay. That's where we're at on this one. So I'm at the 2nd floor of this hotel. This one does not look like it needs any LEDs. The LEDs are completely fine in the top and the bottom. So I'm just gonna leave this one. This one does not need to be updated. Let's head to the 3rd floor and see what kind of LEDs, if any, we need up there. So as we can see, this one definitely needs LEDs. This one has a light. It's actually supposed to be up here. It was double-sided sticky tape up there, but it fell down. So I've just been leaving it right there, which is kind of annoying. And I'm sure it's annoying for people too, because it is rather bright. So if we can get some LEDs in here, go all the way around, just like we did on the 1st floor, that'd be better on this one. Yeah, I think that's a little much. There we go, as bright as it can get. Not too bad. I just need to find somewhere to put it. Hello. That's going to be it for today. I want to thank you guys for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing and clicking that bell. And I'll see you tomorrow.